That answer can absolutely vary. We take the approach that we don't know exactly how it's going to work. We just know for sure that when we put one of our windows into the home, being rated as it is for energy efficiency, that it will absolutely improve it. There's so many different drains on a home as far as the energy efficiency is concerned. So you got the structure of the insulation between your walls, or more importantly, actually in the attic of the home. That can be a big one there. The HVAC, how old is that unit? How well is it performing? One of the things that a lot of people don't realize or think about is when that AC kicks on, the air conditioning actually has a vacuum pull, and if the windows don't fit tightly, like maybe they never really have, air is going to come through those windows and actually come from the outside. So anytime that is just going to be basically pulling in air from the outside. So the tighter and the better sealing that your windows have, then the more efficient your home's going to be.